student, and welcome to today's lesson. Letter G. The letter G says G, G, G. Look at the grapes. Grapes. Look at the glass. Glass. Look at the goat. Goat. The letter G. Usage of G in a word. The letter G can be in the middle of a word, like tiger. The letter G can be at the end of a word, like mug. STEAM activities. S. Talk about the goat. Tell the students a goat is a pet animal. T. Listen to the letter G by watching a video. E. Make some grapes using Play-Doh. A. Use your thumb impressions to make grapes on a paper sheet. M. Count objects beginning with the sound G around you. Review. Write the first letter of each picture. Look at the frog. Write the first letter F. Look at the egg. Write the first letter E. Look at the elephant. Write the first letter E. Look at the glass. Write the first letter G. Look at the grapes. Write the first letter G. Look at the dog. Write the first letter D. Match each beginning sound letter to the correct picture. The letter D. Match it to the duck. The letter E. Match it to the elephant. The letter F. Match it to the fan. The letter G. Match it to the goat. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.